guys, guess what I got? During Christmas, my bro gave me a hand-me-down. Gave me his old Archos 5 internet tablet. He gave it to me for a reason. Purely because he found that there was some slight, let's say, manufacturing problems with this sucker. Yeah. So, I'm gonna ask if anyone knows who could help me with the problems I've got here. So, I'm just gonna open this 32 gig version up. So it's 32 gigs, cool. I mean, it's pretty sweet. I mean, even if it's hand-me-down, I don't really care. I want to get the sucker working completely. Now, just have a quick look around at this item here. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. It's a nice almost 5-inch screen, or 5. Can't quite remember all of that. Anyway, I'm sitting in my conservatory right now, and it's just about 9 in the morning. I woke up early. It's a Saturday. I hate waking up early, but shit, I couldn't sleep. Right, it comes with a stand, and this base lies flat like that, and the Archos just lies sitting in the middle. I can't be bothered to show you how that works. There's plenty of videos out there that does. This is the USB and micro USB cable that it comes with, and the problem is the port where this micro USB goes into is flawed. The flaw is that when you push it, if you can see that right there, that port doesn't look so clear. There you go. You can see it's not flush. It's been pushed in, and not because it's been jammed in, it's because that port right there, it's not fastened by anything. It's not glued, it's not nothing. It just slides. So the further you push that micro USB in, the further that port just keeps on going. Right. I've got a question for any viewers or anyone who sees who's got one of these. If you've opened up one of these before, like the insides, hey, I want a little hand. All I found so far is this little screw right there. I've had a quick look on Google by Googling it, and it has effectively said that you need to contact the support. Now, I just got given this. I'm not going to pay for someone to tell me, yeah, you need to send it in and we'll fix it for you at a certain charge. Nah, this is a DIY job. I could do this myself, but a little assistance would definitely help. So if anyone knows a way of doing so, let me know where the screws are, if they're hidden by these little feet here. Yeah, if I've got to remove those, I will do. Let me know. Okay, if it slides off by just taking off that one screw, let me know. I don't want to force it open because I still like this tablet and want to get it working. So hit me up, send me a message, send me a vid, something like that. Just help me out. Thanks. Bye.